Hi parents, I just wanted to give you some information about how to check on your students' grades. So, the first part is about checking for missing work on Canvas. So, on your students' reading and math Canvas pages, you'll see the pink button for grades. The grades you'll see will be different whether you're on reading or math. The math grades are in the math course, and then the reading grades will be in the reading course. So once you click the pink button, it will take you to a screen that looks similar to this, where you'll see the name of the assignment, the due date, the status, the score, and what the score was out of. So the key thing to look for here is if there's a dash in the score column. So if there's a dash, that means your student has no score and that they have not submitted the assignment. If they've submitted the assignment and the teacher's waiting on the teacher's grade, it will have a little symbol like a rocket ship or some type of little icon in that column. And if they completed their assignment and it is graded, you'll see a number with the score that they got on that assignment. All right. In this last column, sometimes you'll see a little chat box or a check box, and that's just to show that your teacher left some comments or some notes on that assignment, and you can click on that to check what your teacher said back to you. So again, if there's anything that has a dash, that means it has not been turned in. And to go to that assignment, all your student has to do is just click on the name of the assignment over here on the left, and it'll take them straight to the assignment. If they need some help with the assignment, specifically in reading, if they click the little previous button, they'll know what that looks like when they're on the screen. If they click previous, it'll take them back to the video where they can watch a video to help refresh their memory about what that assignment was asking for them to do. Then another way for you to access grades is through Powerschool. So again, you can use your student's ID number to log into the NC Ed Cloud. So you would type in the browser my.ncedcloud.org, and then it'll be at a login page. That username is just your student's ID number, and the password is capital C, then little MSX 2030, your student's password. And then on that page, you'll see these applications. This is where they go to get into Canvas. But to see the grades, you can just click on the P for Powerschool, and that will take you directly into the Powerschool grades. The advantage of looking in Powerschool is that Powerschool also includes any of their test grades. So remember, when the pink button only is showing you the classroom assignments in Canvas that they complete like as part of the class lessons, Powerschool will have the formal test grades that they take as well. So the Powerschool will sometimes give you a more accurate picture of what your student's final grade will be. And this will be where you can go in Powerschool to check for your students like progress report. And again, that will also notify you if they have any zeros for missing work, as well as what grades they got on each particular assignment. And again, if you have any questions about a grade or how to access the grades, you can call or text Ms. McSherry or Ms. Flint, and we'll be happy to help you out with that.